In the year 2147, humanity prepares for its most dangerous mission in history. A spacecraft, built to leave the solar system, stands ready in Earth's orbit. Its destination is a distant world called Elysium, a planet discovered through signals from deep space telescopes. No human has ever traveled this far before, and no one knows what awaits beyond the stars. 6 astronauts are chosen for this impossible journey. Each one represents the highest level of human skill and endurance: commander, engineer, scientist, pilot, medic, and AI specialist. They are trained not just for survival, but for isolation beyond imagination. They understand one truth clearly: this mission may be a one-way journey into the unknown. The spacecraft, Aurora 1, ignites its engines with massive energy. Earth slowly disappears beneath a wave of light and fire. Within minutes, the planet becomes a small glowing sphere in darkness. Humanity watches silently as its first interstellar mission begins. There is no turning back now. The age of deep space exploration has officially started. Days turn into weeks as the ship moves beyond known planets. Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune fade into endless darkness. Even the sun becomes just another distant star. The crew realizes something terrifying. They are completely alone. No rescue, no communication, no return path. Only infinite space surrounding them. Strange distortions begin affecting the ship's navigation systems. Star maps shift without explanation. Unknown gravitational forces pull the spacecraft off course. The AI detects something impossible in deep space, but there is no data to explain it. Something is watching or guiding their journey. To survive the long voyage, most of the crew enters cryogenic sleep. Only 2 astronauts remain awake at a time. The ship becomes a silent, drifting world of metal and machines. Years pass in complete silence. Time loses meaning inside deep space isolation. Humanity sleeps while the universe continues moving forward. A structured signal suddenly appears from deep space. It is not random noise. It is intelligent. Mathematical patterns suggest a non-human origin. The signal repeats with perfect precision. It is not coming from Elysium. It is coming from somewhere along their path. The crew begins to fear what they cannot understand. Some believe it is an alien warning. Others think it is a trap waiting ahead. The ship grows tense with uncertainty. Even the AI cannot fully decode the message. Something unknown is approaching their mission. Suddenly, the spacecraft begins to malfunction violently. Engines fluctuate without command. Navigation systems collapse into chaos. External forces interfere with the ship's core systems. The crew struggles to regain control. It feels as if space itself is resisting their journey. After decades of travel, the destination finally appears. A massive alien planet dominates the view, but it is nothing like Earth. Rings of glowing crystal orbit the planet. 3 moons move in unnatural synchronized patterns, and energy storms light up the entire sky. The landing shuttle enters the alien atmosphere. The sky glows with shifting colors of violet and gold. Floating land masses drift above the surface. Energy currents move through the air like rivers. The planet feels alive and artificial at the same time. Nothing behaves like a natural world. The crew lands on a glowing crystalline surface. Beneath their feet, energy pulses travel through the ground. Floating rocks drift silently above them. Strange alien life forms move in the distance. The sky is filled with massive rings and multiple moons. They are no longer on a planet, but inside a system. In the distance, they discover an alien megacity. Floating towers extend into the sky. Entire structures hover without support. Energy highways connect massive buildings. Drones move in perfect synchronized patterns. This is not ruins. It is still active. The crew enters a living alien structure. Walls shift and reshape as they move through it. Light flows like water across every surface. Machines operate without visible control systems. The entire structure feels conscious, as if it is observing them. A hidden entrance opens beneath the structure. The crew descends into a vast underground chamber. A glowing artificial star powers the entire system. Ancient machines continue operating after thousands of years. This is the heart of the alien world, and it is still alive. Real alien beings appear for the first time. Tall crystalline entities emerge from glowing energy. Their bodies shift between solid and light. 6 glowing eyes observe the human crew. They move without walking, as if gravity does not exist. Humanity is no longer the only intelligent life here. The aliens reveal their civilization's history. Elysium is not a natural planet. It is a constructed world, a living experiment. Thousands of civilizations have passed through it. Most failed to survive their own intelligence. Humanity is simply the next test. The aliens show visions of destroyed civilizations, entire galaxies collapsed by their own creations, advanced species wiped out by war and technology. The message is clear. Intelligence leads to destruction. Unless controlled, humanity will follow the same path. The warning is not a threat, it is truth. The crew must make a decision for humanity. Accept alien knowledge or leave unchanged. Knowledge could save Earth or destroy it. The weight of an entire species rests on them. Silence fills the alien chamber. The future of humanity is uncertain. The crew begins to argue among themselves. Some fear alien influence, others see it as humanity's only hope. Trust begins to break under pressure, but time is running out. The aliens are waiting for their answer. Finally, the decision is made. Humanity chooses to accept the knowledge. Alien technology begins merging with human systems. The crew feels their understanding expanding instantly. Science, time, and reality begin to shift. Humanity will never be the same again. The ship is upgraded with alien technology. Systems far beyond human science are activated. The crew prepares to return to Earth, but they are no longer the same people who arrived. They carry knowledge beyond imagination and responsibility beyond understanding. Aurora, one begins its return through deep space. Alien ships accompany them across the stars. The universe feels different now, as if they can see deeper layers of reality. Earth is waiting, unaware of what is coming. A new era is about to begin. Earth appears in the distance once again, but humanity is no longer alone in the universe. Alien ambassadors approach alongside the human ship. A new alliance is forming between species. The age of isolation is over, and the age of interstellar civilization has begun.